Today we're doing a 10-minute full body dumbbell workout you can do as a follow along with me to build strength and muscle. You only need one pair of dumbbells for this workout. Choose a weight that you can floor press or bench press for around 12 reps. I'll be using 17.5 kilos, that's about 39 pounds per dumbbell, but you need to use whatever's right for you. We're going to do 5 exercises doing 30 to 40 seconds on with a 20-second transition for 2 rounds in total. There's a warm-up linked in the description if you want to do that, but if you're ready to go, pick up your dumbbell and we're going to start off with some goblet squats. Staying nice and upright with the dumbbell, sinking the hips down, feet should be about shoulder width apart, slight turn out to the toes, and then push the knees out to match the amount that your toes are turned out. The goal is to sit the hips down, so don't lean too far forwards. Keep a nice upright posture. Okay, if you've got a bench, then you can do a bench press. If you haven't, you can do a floor press. Pressing up to the top, lowering of control. If you're doing the floor press, as soon as your triceps make contact with the floor, you can press straight into the next rep. If you're on the bench or you've got a step, then you can let your elbows come past, getting a deeper stretch on the chest. From a bird's eye view down, your torso out to elbow should make an arrow shape, not a T shape. So don't have your shoulders too high up in the sockets. Always finish your rep. Okay, we're going to go for an RDL, Romanian deadlift, into a 3-rep bent over row. And if you've got a bench and you'd rather opt for just a prone row, feel free to do that. So I'm going to hinge, pause in the horizontal position, and do 3 bent over row reps. Come back up to the top for a brief moment to relax the lower back, then straight back into it. Focus on rowing up and out with the elbows. Let's finish the 3-rep cluster that you're on. Okay, next up, we're going to do a split squat. You can do this with or without dumbbells. And we're going to do 30 seconds per side. So I've got my left foot forwards, right foot back. We're just sinking that back knee down, making gentle contact with the floor if you can. We're going to do 30 seconds and then a straight transition to the next leg without any gap. Quick switch. Okay, we've got a lat and core exercise with a dead bug pullover. You can do this on the bench and you'll be able to get a slightly deeper pullover. I want your lower back to stay compressed into the floor or bench throughout the whole movement. We're going to alternate leg drops but the dumbbells are going to go for a pull over every time, maintaining that braced core, avoiding any overarch to the lower back. You should have a slight unlock and bend of the elbows, but that elbow angle should stay consistent throughout the whole rep. This is a pullover, it's not a tricep extension, so you shouldn't be changing the elbow angle during the movement. Okay, there's round one done. I'm just going to repeat those exercises one more time through this nice, quick dumbbell workout. Get ready to go with these goblet squats. Upright torso, deep squat, sitting the hips down, knees pushed out. Next up, we've got either the floor press or the bench press. Even if you've got some cushions and you could prop your upper back up with those, you could get a slight bigger range of motion and stretch on the pecs. Onto the RDL, it's a 3-rep row, or if you'd rather opt for a prone row, it's a little bit easier on the lower back muscles. So we're going to hinge, pause in the horizontal position whilst we do our 3 rows. Coming back up to the top, just to give the lower back a brief moment of rest. From a bird's eye view down, the dumbbells should stay nice and close to the body, almost hovering over the shoelaces. Okay, onto the split squats. As I said, you can do these with or without weight. I'll have a go doing them with the weight. You could hold one at your chest or 2 by your sides. Get ready to switch. And switch sides, straight into it. Well, that's a heavy split squat for me with these. As I said, you could just take one dumbbell at the chest, or if you're doing them knee to with body weight, go for the body weight option. Dead bug pullovers now. Dumbbell goes every time, legs alternate, core stays braced, head can stay on the mat. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me. Let me know in the comments how did you find it and where are you following along from, but don't go anywhere. Here's another 10-minute workout that you can do right now. I've got a playlist with loads of these 10-minute ones. If you fancy doing something longer with more structure, check out my TPT Virtual Studio, which is an exclusive members area with loads of longer follow-alongs, including full series. I'll link that in the pinned comment and the description of this video. See you soon.